The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the nation's food industry has had a profound effect on dairy farmers. Blake Lipton today was in Jonesboro speaking with local farmers and trying to find out what's happening with them.
While grocery store sales have actually gone up, local dairy farmers say the real problem lies in the fact that food service sales have gone down. Mike Saylor is a third-generation farmer at Sayland Dairy.
Done it ever since. It's the only thing I've ever done.
The dairy farm is one of 8 in Washington County. Even with the COVID-19 pandemic, he's still up at 4:30 in the morning.
And we're still doing the same thing every day.
He says for East Tennessee dairy farmers, prices are the biggest problem.
This year had started out in the plus, but when this hit, it's going south in a hurry. They're telling us now it could go down as much as $5 a hundred by June.
Dairy Extension Specialist Liz ECKELKAMP says another concern is the closures of schools and restaurants, which drastically impacts where dairy goes to be processed.
Usually about 50% of our raw dairy product goes into the food service industry, whether that's the milk you get in your coffee at Starbucks or the cheese you get on your burger at McDonald's.
ECKELKAMP says so far the bright spot is that Tennessee farms haven't seen excess milk supply, like farms in Wisconsin or New York.
So other places have been having to do things like feed more of that milk directly to their calves. So putting some of that milk back into what we feed them to try to cut down on feed costs. Some other farmers have been land applying it as fertilizer.
Both ECKELKAMP and Saylor ask the public to keep buying dairy.
The milk's still as safe as it's ever been.
Saylor says it will take some time before we see whether the gradual reopening of the economy starts to help dairy products trend in an upward direction. Reporting in Jonesboro, Blake Lipton, News Channel 11.